Given two binary search tree, root1 and root2, return a list containing all the integers from both trees sorted in ascending order. First, declare a class called treeNode to represent each node in a binary search tree. Each node has a value, a left child and a right child. Next, define a class that contains a method. This method takes two treenodes object root1 and root2, representing the roots of two binary search tree. This method returns a list of integers containing all the elements of both tree in sorted order. Then create a new linked list object as an instance value of a class. This will be used to store the merged list of elements from both trees. Again, create three new ArrayList objects, list1 and list2, and result. List1 and list2 will be used to store the pre-ordered traversal of a root1 and root2, and result will be used to store the merged list of elements from list1 and list2. Next, call the preorder method twice with root1 and root2 and list1 and list2. The preorder method performs a preorder traversal of a binary search tree and add each node's value to a list. Next, create two indices I and j to keep track of the current positions in list1 and list2 respectively. We will then look through both lists, comparing the value of all the current indices and adding the small one to the result. Then we will increment I and j depending on which list we add a value from. After the loop, check if there are any remaining elements in list 1 and list 2. If there are, we add them to result. Finally, return result which contain all the elements from both trees in sorted order. In the main method, create two sample binary search trees, root1 and root2, and call the method on them using a solution object. We then print the result list of all elements in both trees.